Let's solve this integral using the substitution method. We start with the integral of f prime of x over the square root of f of x. Let's make a substitution to simplify this integral. We'll let u equal the square root of f of x. This means that u squared equals f of x. Now we need to find du in terms of dx. To do this, we differentiate both sides of u squared equals f of x with respect to x. Using the chain rule on the left side, we get 2u times du dx equals f prime of x. Solving for du, we get du equals f prime of x over 2u dx. Now we can substitute this back into our original integral. Looking at our substitution for du, we can rewrite the integral in terms of u. The integral simplifies to 2 times the integral of u du. This is a simple integral. The integral of u is u squared over 2. So 2 times that gives us u squared plus a constant of integration. Finally, we substitute back u equals square root of f of x to get our answer. 2 times the square root of f of x plus c. And there we have it. We've solved this integral using the substitution method, carefully working through each step to arrive at our final answer.